if your apps are pending and you cannot install them, or if in the Play Store you can see that apps don't want to be installed and they are waiting for Wi-Fi even though you are connected to Wi-Fi and the setup is just paused all the time. In order to solve this issue, first of all, we can go to our Google profile in the upper right corner, and then over here, open Settings. You want to go to Network Preferences, and then go to App Download Preference, and you want to check if over any network is selected. Now, if this didn't help, you can also exit the app and go to Settings. Now, in Settings, we're gonna scroll down until we find Apps. Let me actually try to find it. I'm not sure where it is exactly. There we go, here. Let's go to Apps, then we're gonna go to the Play Store. And first we're gonna force stop the app over here. Then we can go to Storage and Cache, and you want to clear the storage and confirm your choice. Now we're gonna go back to the app, let's reopen it. Wait a couple of seconds. And now you should be able to actually get all your updates, or you should be able to install your apps. So in my case, I'm gonna go to my apps and games over here. Here we have our updates. Let's tap on Update All. And then we should be able to see apps being installed or updated. As you can see now, it actually works. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.